Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter, back with Card Sketch Challenge Part 29. Got a few dies here that I've already actually gone ahead and die cut. I just remembered I needed a circular one. And then I've got some pattern papers from Craft Consortium in the Herbarium collection. I have to say it like that. Okay, so I've got my regular 6" by 4" card. I've already chopped down the layers, and if you want dimensions, then do head over and grab the free downloadable PDF document from my website, gentlemancrafter.com. And that will give you all of the dimensions and a rough layout for this, but basically what I'm doing is higgledy-piggledy strips. Just all over the place, jaunty angles, but I'm doing it so that I'm actually working from both ends at the same time, if that makes any sense. So top bottom, then top bottom, and this helps me to kind of get I don't want to say even space because we're not measuring it, but a loosely evenly spaced design. So I've got 5 strips of these. As always, I'm using the Pin Flare bookbinding glue. It's low moisture content and quick grab, so it's perfect for card making. And it goes a very, 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 very long way. I couldn't even tell you when I started that bottle. But I have done a lot with it since then. So when I've got an odd number, I generally do top, bottom, and then middle, and then that gives me the open spaces to work in for the remaining pieces. See, these are the quality tips you come here for, right? Anywho, just popping the last one on, and then on top of that I've got a strip of card that's going to go through the center of all of these, like that. So again, just a quick strip of glue. You can of course use double-sided tape or a tape runner if you prefer that. That's entirely up to you. Now with all these wonky angles and things, I was having trouble making sure that was straight, so I just got out the random alignment ruler to make sure that it was at least vertical. And then I've got a die cut circle with a couple of die cut sentiments stacked on top of each other. And then I've done a black, a mid grey and a light grey die cut of a butterfly to give the illusion of them going off into the distance. Ooh. Not really sure what the ooh was for, but thought I'd throw it in. One more butterfly, bish bash bosh, job done. So there we go, just a few scraps of card, couple of little die cuts, and we've got a 6x4 card all done and dusted. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up and of course subscribe for future content if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.